Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. You see here we have airbag message 2022 Honda Civic. Let's see what is the option we can get. Okay, I'm gonna go out from here. I just want to see when you have this, what is the best thing to do, or what code you can see there. I know this car, they already fixed. You see here we have one airbag sign here, and that's one. Diagnose the car first. Take your time, go by VIN, auto detect. Okay. US 2021 Honda Civic. So yes. Okay, diagnose. Control unit. What is the airbag? SRS. Engine should not be running, but the ignition is on. Go for it. Read code. No codes. When you have no codes and and this is there, that means the airbag module itself, it has corrupted data. So what you need to do is you have to clear it. You have to program it. I'm gonna check failure control module. Don't rely on the result. Okay. No DTC. Do not rely on this. There is no DTC, nothing. But that means it have a crash data. Is it fixable? Yeah. You can take it. You can send it to a place. They can fix it for you. You can send it to me. I can fix it for you, or by try to get other tools that can do it for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.